know what? Here's the one thing to say to Mommy Ellen Olea and Kuya Kopio. There will be no more solid north. Ha? No more Marcoses in the Philippines. In the United States, no more Trump. It's about Elon Musk. It's about Sara Duterte. I had enough about Marcoses. Remember, I say again, Kuya Kopio and Mommy Ellen Olea, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. Just like his father did. And even you, Teacher Gina Sedjo, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May Tiburcio, there will be no more solid north. No more Marcoses in the Philippines. I know Teacher Jessa Fernandez is also an anti-Marcos. I know Teacher Jessa Fernandez, first time I encountered that she posted in Facebook. I am the witness that she is an anti-Marcos. Oh, I know people there are anti-Marcos. If people there are pro-Duterte, if they are anti-Marcos, let them be. And here's the message to you, Sangkay Janjan, na. You know what? Enough about making your trolls. Stop using Cedric Mariano. Like I say to you, Sangkay Janjan, tigilan mo na si Cedric. You know, you're using him to troll anybody. You're trolling Mang Rodelio Daguman. You're trolling Mrs. Annie Gill. Can't you just leave Cedric Mariano alone? Sangkay Janjan, tantanan mo na yan siya. That's why, it's really cyberbullying, and I do not want to pick you a fight. Sangkay, you need to learn your lesson. You need to learn in your past. Just like I said to you, you need to learn about your behavior. Your behavior is just like me. And I do not know what you're talking about, Sangkay. You see what happened in Venezuela. Nicolas Maduro was kidnapped. He was captured by Delta Force. Look at in the Philippines. Last year, Rodrigo Duterte was arrested by a fake Filipinos who were participating by ICC, the International Criminal Court, because of his crimes against humanity. Is this what you like? Kuya Kopio, Teacher May Tiburcio, Sangkay Janjan, and Paulo Cruzada? Ha? Even Gina Sedjo and Jeffrey Asedjo, G. Macasandil. Just like I said, there will be no solid north. No more Marcoses in the Philippines. Never again to Marcos. Just like me, I boycott all the infrastructure of Marcos Sr. I boycott it. Look at what happened to Kuya Bear. Look at what happened to to Mang Rodelio Daguman. They are victim of Marcos Senior martial law. When Mang Rodelio Daguman was a kid and Kuya Bear was a teenager, they are victim. Look at what happened to Luis Cabales' grandmother, victim of Marcos martial law. Me, I'm a victim of Marcos Jr. martial law. I don't care about Marcos. He's a criminal. He's a plunder. He and his ally Remullas are plunder, magnanakaw. Even Romualdez, magnanakaw. That's what the term. They are really a thief. They are really a robbery. And do you think that our country, Philippines, to become a corruption and bribery? It's really worse compared to Israel, compared to Mexico. Corruption in the Philippines. This is worse than Guatemala and Bolivia. Corruption. And now Philippines is number 1 corruption in Southeast Asia because of bangag. Compared to Benjamin Netanyahu and Bongbong Marcos, they are corrupt. Because I really hate Marcoses. My message to Mami Ellen Olea and Kuya Dan Mardayaw, do not support the Marcoses. Withdraw the support. And Dan Mardayaw, you should listen to your friend Tera Francisco and Roylan Marlang. They are anti-Marcos. And do not criticize Rodelio. Mang Rodelio has his own opinion. He has his own freedom of expression. He is really an anti-Marcos. He has freedom of expression. Just like I said. Oh, just remember, if we want to fight against corruption, Dan Mardayaw, Kuya Danmar, and Mami Ellen Olea, we want Marcos Jr. to be ousted. Just like his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr.